है ये निकल गया कुछ। दस। हाँ ठीक है। जब तो वापस कॉल करेगा ना तो हमको कॉल कर देना, उसी टाइम निकल जाएगा। ऑटो चलता है, मेरे को बस नहीं मिलता है, बस से चलता है। हाँ नहीं नहीं, तो बैठ जाए तो बस में। दस। तो ध्यान रखना कि हावड़ा आता है, कोई बोलता नहीं है। हाँ, एक बार हावड़ा मजाक बोलेगा और एक बार हावड़ा बोलेगा। मतलब वही एरिया में वो बड़ा सा बस स्टैंड है ना, तो उसी साइड थोड़ा सा आगे जाना पड़ेगा। बस। हाँ, एक ही बार आप साइड में ही लिखा रहता है, उसके ना आगे लिखा रहता है, तो आगे देख के करना। एक S12 भी। हाँ, कांच के पास। हाँ सही कही ना, एक S12 भी रहता है, तो वो भी ना एसी जैसा ही दिखता है, तो ध्यान से एसी बार में बैठना। हाँ। हाँ देखिए। वही हम पैकिंग करते हैं, सामान रख देते हैं लैपटॉप में।
Recording in progress.
Yesterday I given string handling. How many classes are there string to handle strings? How many classes? 4. What are those? Java dot lang dot string. Second one, Java dot lang dot string buffer. Third one, Java dot lang dot string builder. String builder. Fourth one, Java dot util dot string tokenizer. 4 classes. Okay. String class, string buffer class, string builder class, string tokenizer class. 4 classes. Okay. See, you have seen how to see the profile of this class like this. How to see the profile? By using Java P. By using Java P command, we can see Java P, Java dot lang dot string. Okay. If you type, it shows a profile. See, this is a profile. Now, how to use this class? You are going to see how to use this class. You are going to see now. For example, see here, start notepad demo.java. No notepad I'm showing. See how to use. How to use, you are going to see. For example, it is common code. Here, suppose string s equal to new string of welcome. If I write, how many objects created? 2 objects created. If I write like this, how many objects created? 1 object created. Okay, 1 object created. Like this, string is more flexible. Like that also you can write. Like this also you can write. Anything valid. But here, suppose you observe constructors. 17 constructors are there. See, from here, it is first constructor. See, second constructor. Like this, 17 constructors are there. Now, this is yesterday you have seen. This is yesterday you have seen. Okay, like a string s equal to new string, empty string created. If you pass whatever you pass, that is. After this, you observe here character array we can convert into string. Like that, byte array we can convert into string. Here character array converted into string. Here byte array converted into a string. Character array, byte array. You observe. When constructor is called? Whenever object is created. Suppose one character array, I'll write. Here like this. This character array I want to convert into a string. What you write? String s equal to new string of ch. So here this constructor called this constructor. It is public constructor. You can access anywhere, no restriction. It will take, this constructor. So public java.lang.string character array. Now this character array I passed character array. Okay. Now printing system.out.println yes. Now in first line character array created. In a first line character array created, that array referred by ch. Second line string object created. Third line here implicitly which method called here? ToString method. Which class ToString? String class. It returns content of object. In the content, what is there? Character array is there. That ABCD printed. See, file, save. If I compile javac demo.java, Java demo. So ABCD character array converted into string format. So this is converting string character array into a string. Note on program to convert character array into a string. Program to convert character array into a string. Program to convert character array into a string. Is it over? Suppose byte array I want to convert into a string. For that one also method is there. For that one also constructor is there. Now byte array if you want to convert into a string. Is it over? See, program to convert byte array into a string. How to convert? See, first of byte array you have to write byte array. Byte b equal to byte array. Byte array means numbers. Suppose I'll write 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, like this I'll write. This byte array I want to convert into a string. Same constructor is there. So what we can do? String sc equal to new string of byte array. System dot out dot println yes. So byte array converted into string printed. File, save. See, now also same output comes. Now also same output. Okay, like it is byte array. So byte array converted into a string. Write this one. Byte array converted into string. Program to convert byte array into a string. Any doubt? Is it over? So converting character array to string you have seen, converting byte array to string you have seen. Now reverse conversion I'll show you. Reverse conversion. Suppose program to convert string into a byte array. It is also possible. How to convert, you see your methods. Here methods are there. This method we have to call. I'll ask some questions, give me answer. Is this method accessible? How do you know? Public. Is it instance method or class method? Instance method. How do you know? There is no static. That's what instance method. How many ways to access? 2 ways. What are those? Object, object reference. It is a method of string class. So string class object required. So string s equal to welcome. This by using this s, can I call that method? By using this s, can I call this method? No. Why? It is not object. It is object. What is this? Object reference. By using object also you can call. By using object reference also you can call. So can I call? Yes. What is the return type? Byte array. Byte array. So byte array b equal to s dot get bytes. Okay. How to print byte array? System dot out dot println b. If I write b, will it print? Will it print? What it prints? Hash code printed. It is hash code printed. See? It will print hash code. How to print elements? Compulsory loop you have to write. You studied enhanced for loop, no? How to write? For that is byte. Byte is something C colon B. After this, system dot out dot println C. So welcome converted into byte array. From that array, one element copied in C. That C printed. File, save. Compilation, execution. W ASCII code, E ASCII code. L ASCII code, C ASCII code printed. Previously ASCII code converted into string. Now string converted into ASCII code. Nothing but byte array. Write this one. Yesterday, I think you absent. Yesterday 1 hour, that is only I'll explain. Check the notes later, you'll understand. In Java, every string literal itself object. So welcome is object without new keyword object. Is it over? So here welcome is an object. This object referred by S. With this S get bytes method I called. Then byte array comes. From that byte array, one element copied in C. That is printed. Any doubt? In this program, any doubt is there? Now, it is converting into byte array. Converting into string character array also is there. Reverse. If you want to convert into character array, converting into character array, one method is there. One minute, I'll show you. This method. Now, is this method accessible? Yes. How do you know? Public. Is it instance method or class method? Instance method. How do you know? There is no starting. Okay. With string reference or string class object, you can call. You'll get a return type character array. See. Program to convert string into character array. Then what you have to do is here character array. Okay, something ch. Here s dot to char array. To char array. Now here, that's it. Now welcome converted into character array. One character printed. See. Here byte I given, that's what error. Here it should be char. File, save. Compilation, execution. Okay, welcome. Right, this one. Is it over? So your welcome converted into character array. From that array, one element copied in C printed. So like this, any method you can call. See, is it over? Now I'll ask one more question. Give me answer. Now here suppose I want to count the number of characters. Here method is there length. Now is it instance method or class method? Instance method. How many ways to access? What are those? Now string class required. Now return type integer. How to call? Give me answer. Integer, some variable s dot length, system dot out dot println n. Okay, file save, compilation, execution. Okay, seven characters. Now here with object called or object reference called? Object reference. With object I want to call. How to call? How to call? Welcome dot length. So you can write like this: integer n equal to s dot like a welcome dot length. It is a proof. It is an object. You can write like this also valid. See the 2 lines, 3 lines. We can write like a 2 lines. These 2 lines can I write as a 1 line? Yes or no? What do you write? Welcome dot length. 3 lines equivalent to 2 lines. 2 lines equivalent to 1 line. You can write like this. Right? This all. Program to count the number of characters. Program to count the number of characters in a given string. Program to count the number of characters in a given string. So like that 3 lines you can write, or 2 lines you can write, or 1 line also you can write. All are valid. Is it over? So these three lines equivalent to these two lines. This is equivalent to this one. All are valid. All are valid. Here with object reference I called method. Here with object I called. Here after returning printed, now directly printed. Okay. All are valid. Now if I give any method, that is how to call. Can you give answer or not? Possible, no? So that is one assignment I'll post in Google Classroom. Do it. Okay. Like an assignment, that task what you have to do also I'll give. Which method required also I'll give. Description also I'll give. Everything. Okay. Now suppose further some applications, some more required compulsory concepts. I'll explain first. Trim method, one more is there to remove extra spaces. This is also further many places required. Now, how many days over Google Classroom link they didn't get till? Contact admin. Google Class, how many days over this batch? Now Google Classroom link they are asking. See, trim method, see, string sc equal to, suppose if you write like this, welcome to Java. These extra spaces, if you want to remove, that method required. So here, program to remove extra spaces at the beginning of the text and end of the text. Program to remove extra spaces at the beginning of the text and end of the text. That method required, trim method. Now trim method, is it instance method or class method? Instance method. What is the return type? Return type also string. Return type also string. What we have tried, give me answer. That method I want to call. What we have tried? Return type string. So string s2 equal to s dot trim. That's it. Now, if I print first string, which contains extra spaces also, if I print second string, it removes extra spaces. Now, these spaces and these spaces removed. File, save. Compilation, execution. See, here extra space also printed, no? Here removed. Write the program. Program to remove extra spaces at the beginning of the text and end of the text. Is it over? So it will remove extra spaces at the beginning, at the end only. Suppose in between extra if you write, it will not remove. At the beginning, at the end. Now, so like this one assignment I'll give, I'll post in Google Classroom. What is the purpose of that method? That is only program I'll give like this. So how to remove like a method description as a task I'll give. Just see that Google Classroom link, check it. Okay. I'll share in a Google Classroom, you check it. 10 programs about strings only. About strings only, 10 programs. Now, next concept. Here, one more method also important. I'll explain. That is equals. This to uppercase, to lowercase, these all you can do it. That is only I'll give assignment. This is a most important method, most important interview question about this. I'll explain this one. Okay. Now equals method. Now suppose string s1 equal to new string of hello. Like this, can I write? We can write like this also, no? In this line, how many objects created? 2 objects. Where it is created? One is inside the pool, one more outside the pool. Okay. Suppose string s2 equal to new string hello. In this line, how many objects created? How many created? One only created. Where it is created? Outside the pool. Okay. Now inside the pool, outside the pool. Okay. Constant pool. Now here equals method. Equals method, is it instance method or class method? Instance method. Now how to call this method? Give me answer. What is the return type? Boolean. So what do you write? Boolean b equal to s1 dot equals s2. But first to valid or not valid, we'll see. This line is valid or not valid, we'll see. Okay. Now return type, first public. It is accessible, no restriction. Anywhere you can access. It is public. Anywhere you can access. But return type Boolean. I return type Boolean b. For calling this equals method, either object or object reference required. So S1 is object reference only, no? Now it will take object class parameter. I passed string class. With yesterday class knowledge, day before yesterday knowledge, give me answer. This is valid or not valid. It will take object class object, but I passed string class reference. Is it valid or not valid? Give me answer. Seeing that answer? Now how it is valid? Now actually what is a parameter? Object class object is a parameter. Object class object is a parameter. Object is also one class. You have seen yesterday. It will take object class object. Okay. It will take object class object. But I passed string class reference. Is it valid or not valid? If it is valid, how it is valid? If it is not valid, why it is not valid? What is it? Object class is a every class. That is inheritance, that is implicitly inherited in every class. it will take object class reference or object class object. It will take object class object or object class reference. But I passed string class reference. Is it valid or not valid? If it is valid, how it is valid? If it is not valid, why it is not valid? What is it? String also object. Object class object it will take. That is object, no, don't see name only. That is also one class. Object also one class. String class reference. Is it valid or not valid? If it is valid, how? Say, actually, which class object it will take? Which class object it takes? Object class it will take. Okay? It will take object class object or object class reference. It will take object class object or object class reference. But which class reference I passed? String class. String and object. Any relation is there? Yes. String and object. These two are classes. Between these two classes, any relation is there? Yes. Which relationship? Is a or as a? Is a relationship. Is a relationship means inheritance. It is superclass. It is subclass. Object class is a superclass. String class is a subclass. Object class is a superclass. Okay. String class is a subclass. Now, here actually what it takes? Object class object or object class reference. But what I passed? String class reference. Subclass reference or subclass object, if you assign to superclass, that concept is called, what is that? Upcasting. That's what valid. That's what valid. Where we use upcasting, you ask for no? Today onwards, every day appears. Today onwards, every day appears. Upcasting, downcasting. Okay? So it will take object class. It will take object class. But I am passing string class. It is valid because subclass object or subclass reference, if you assign to superclass, that is called upcasting. Upcasting always valid. Upcasting done by system implicitly. So further, every day comes upcasting, downcasting. Now I passed. Okay. I'll print system.out.println b. These two lines can I write as a one line? Yes or no? Yes. What we have to write? System.out.println s1 dot equals s2. Okay. Now one more line I am writing. System.out.println s1 double equal to s2. Equals operator also is no. Now if I compile and execute, what will be the output comes? You observe first of all. Compilation, execution. What are you getting? First one true, second one false. That means equals method and equals operator not same. Not same, no? Now it is the interview question. What is the difference between equals method and equals operator is the interview question. Now for this one, what is the output coming? True. For this one, what is the output coming? Why we are getting like that, I'll explain. See, first of all, any doubt? I'll explain. I didn't explain also. I didn't explain. Parameter you asked. Parameter is object class object it takes. Parameter. Object class object. Which class reference I passed? String class. Which is superclass, which is subclass? Object is superclass. String is subclass. If I pass subclass reference, that is called upcasting. That's not valid. What's the difference between these two? I didn't explain. I have to explain. Okay? Now listen with more concentration. It is most important interview question. Okay? Don't write. I'll give time for writing. When first line executed, how many objects created? How many? Two objects. One object created in string constant pool. One more object created outside the pool. So like this I'll write diagram. It is string object. Every string literal itself object. So it is object. This object created inside the string constant pool. It's on memory block. String constant pool. Okay. Now every string literal itself an object of string class. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Like this. New constructor. One more object created. One more object created. Here one more object created. That is outside the pool. String object outside the pool. For this object, I passed it as a parameter this hello. So this hello only copied here. This hello only copied. Now, this hash code written and stored in S1. What S1 contains? Hash code or hello? Hash code contains. But if I print S1, what is the output comes? Hello comes or hash code comes? Hello comes. You have seen. That is only one class I have taken. Okay. Now, yesterday total that is only explained. Now, it is hash code. It contains hash code. But if you print hello printed, why it is printed only two string method? Okay. Now, in first line, how many objects created? Two objects. One is inside the pool, one is outside the pool. This object hash code stored in S1. That is clear, first line. When second line executed, how many objects created? One created. That is inside or outside? Outside. Inside duplicate not allowed. That is the reason. Inside it won't create one more. String constant pool does not allow duplicates. That is the reason it won't create one more inside the pool. But outside the pool created. Okay. This hello. This hello. It is also, this is only passed here. Okay. This object referred by S2. This object referred by S2. Okay. Here also hash code. Now hash code. Now in first line, two objects created. One is inside the pool, one is outside the pool. In second line, one object created, that is outside the pool. Okay. After this, equals method will compare the content of objects. This one compared by equals method. Is it same or different? Same. That's what is output coming? True. Equals operator is there, no? It will compare this one. Same hash code or different hash code? Different hash code. That is the reason false. Got your mind? Equals method of string class compares contents of string objects, whereas equals operator compares hash code. This is a note you have to write. Equals method of string class compares contents of string objects, Whereas equals operator compares hash code. Note down. Equals method of string class compares contents of string objects, whereas equals operator compares hash code. Why? One object. Difference is not there. Duplicate not allowed. In second line, duplicate not allowed. Duplicate, second line, duplicate not allowed in a constant pool. Very first time creates both places. Year also created, year also created. But in a constant pool does not allow duplicates. Memory saving purpose. Like next concept is there. String, string buffer, string builder. At the time you'll get a clarity. Immutable, mutable concept is there. To save memory, like that prepared. Actually, we should not write like this. We should write string s1 equal to hello. Because we can save memory, no? But that facility only for string class and wrapper class only possible. For other classes not possible. Only string class, wrapper classes. You'll understand further. Immutable, mutable concept is there. At that time you'll understand. Just tomorrow class only that is. Immutable, mutable. Separate methods are there. Hash code method. Method name is hash code. Is it over? No. I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. In first line, how many objects created? 2 objects. One is inside the pool, one is outside the pool. In second line, how many objects created? One. Because string constant pool does not allow duplicates. That is the reason inside the pool, one more not created. Outside the pool only created. Equals method will compare contents of string objects. Content compared. This hello compared. It is same. That is the reason true coming. Equals operator compare this hash code, this hash code. So this object hash code not same. That is the reason output false. So equals method of string class compares contents of string objects, whereas equals operator compares hash code. Now, is it over? That note also write it. Now, same program, little bit I'll change. You have to give the answer. Little bit I'll change. Okay? Same program, little bit I'll change. What will be the output comes? You have to give the answer. First, is it clear? Still any doubts are there? If any doubts are there, next program you cannot give answer. That's what. Okay? Is it over? See. Now, here, I'll remove this. I'll remove this. Now give me answer. What will be the output comes? What will be the output? True, false. Any other? True, true. Any other answer? True, false, one answer. True, true, one answer. Any other answer? True, false. True, true. Any other? True, true. True, false. False, false. One more is there. False, true. Definitely one answer will match. So all answer is selected. Definitely one answer will match. Now, how many people answer true and true? True, true. Okay. Next, how many people answer true, false? Okay. False, false. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, false, true. False, true, not there. Okay. See, whatever I explained, with that knowledge you can give answer. In this line, how many objects created? One created. In this line, how many created? Object is not created. Because inside the pool, no? Inside the pool, it won't create. Same object referred by S2. Now, here content, hello, hello, same. What is output? True. Here hash code, same hash code or different hash code? Same hash code. How many objects are there? One only. That object hash code only stored both the places. So what is output? True. Both are true. See, file, save. Compilation, execution. Both are true. Because only one object created. String object. Here, hello. This object only referred by S1 and S2. This is only referred by S1. This is only referred by S2. That's what same hash code will be there. It is only compared with this one. Okay. So output true, true. Both are true. Write the program, write the diagram, write the output. So this hello only compared with this hello. True. This hash code compared with this hash code. Same hash code because same one object only. This hash code here, this hash code here, same hash code will be there. That's what true. So here also true, here also true. Both are true. Is it over? We'll see continuation tomorrow. Okay.